Find features that distinguish it from other brands for JUEDUR R900 Tablet, 2025 tablet, 10-inch Android 14 tablets with 22GB RAM, 128GB ROM, 1TB expand. Octa-Core Tablet with keyboard mouse, and why you should buy choose, because it consists of the following features. Latest Android 14 and Octa-Core CPU. The Android tablet is powered by the latest Android 14 operating system, which improves the underlying architecture to make the system smoother in use. It features a high-performance 2.0 GHz, 8-core processor T606, which provides fast app response and operation to easily meet performance requirements for work and play. 22GB RAM, 6+16, large memory storage. The R900 tablet comes with 22GB, 6GB physical plus 16GB virtual RAM, which enables you to run small and medium-sized gaming software and work software with ease. With 128GB of built-in ROM and support up to 1TB TF card, not included, tablet provides ample space to store a large number of photos, videos, and documents. 10.1-inch HD display and Widevine L1 support. The 10.1-inch tablet features with a wide and stunning 1280x800 IPS display, which presents a bright display with richer colors and more delicate picture quality from all angles. With Widevine L1, the tablet could securely access FHD and UHD content on more than 30 major video apps around the world, such as Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Netflix, and others. Double-band Wi-Fi and 8000 mAh battery. The tablet supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which improves the speed and stability of network connection. The large 8000 mAh battery provides longer battery life and standby time, and can be easily charged via the USB Type-C port. Enjoy more functions. The R900 tablet comes with a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, allowing you to handle work, emails more efficiently. It also supports GPS, casting to smart TVs, facial recognition, and more. Equipped with a clear 5-megapixel front camera and 8-megapixel rear camera, record every moment of your life. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.